an energetic protocol to assist you in evolving your creative current in a way that matches your current vibration, your essence, your wisdom, your mastery, your heart yearning. Taking a deep breath in, pulling your energy and awareness into your divine line. Soul Rider, body holding your energy and awareness in your divine line. Teams holding your energy and awareness in your divine lines. Good. Soul Rider at the level of your higher self. Body, Divine Nature, Spirit at the level of your higher self. And teams all reference your creative energy. It's like a vibrational fabric. It's a current. It's a pulse. Soul Rider has its own creative energy. Body, you have your own creative energy. Teams, you have your own creative energy. Everybody reference the vibration of your creative energy. And then using your higher self, your body, Davis higher self, your teams. Ponder colors, sounds, light, energetic aromas, light language, tones, maybe the whale song or an angelic song that helps bring your creative energy, Soul Rider, your body and your teams into an appropriate vibration that matches your essence, your wisdom, your mastery. Holding space for a healing, a retrieval, a reweaving of the vibrational fabric of your creative current. And then I just saw the body's creative energy may have gotten really damaged again as a child in moments of abuse, shame, neglect. And body, Diva, use your higher self, your energetic field to reference an appropriate dimension where perhaps there is a healing chamber that you can enter into and profoundly, deeply heal your creative energy that you hold, that is connected to your essence, that is connected to your spirit, your consciousness. There you go. Profoundly heal it using a healing chamber with colors, sounds, light, vibration. Heal your creative fabric. Retrieve all of those creative threads. Retrieve all control with how you express your creative energy. And that is a huge one. Body, to use your higher self, your energetic field, Soul Rider, body, teams, everybody, Soul Rider, body and teams, but especially body, retrieve all of your control for how you are in creative expression off of everyone and everything, bringing that control back to your divine line, runs in spine, back to your divine cosmic loop, equally dispersing your control of how you hold your creative current, express your creative current. There we go. Back to your own loop of light, running it equally dispersed in your entire divine cosmic loop, body, deva, Soul Rider, team, same. And breathe. The guides just said, doldrums gone, right? Like that lack of motivation. Body, David just brought that creative current into an appropriate vibration by bringing it back to its own divine cosmic loop, running it in an equally dispersed way in divine cosmic loop, reweaving it, streaming it. And then consistency is key. So if you have a tendency in your life to take one step back, one step forward, two steps back, it's because Body Deva isn't holding a consistent flow of the creative energy in its entire divine cosmic loop. And so Body Deva, as you use your higher self, your energetic fields, and that healing chamber in that appropriate dimension, explore energetic code, a sound, a color, a light that enables you to hold your creative energy in a consistent way in your entire divine cosmic loop. Soul Rider, witness body, holding that creative energy in its divine cosmic loop in a consistent manner. And just take a moment. You might just be in this gentle invitation, body, consistent flow, creative current, divine cosmic loop. Body, creative current, consistent flow, consistent flow of creative current in your divine cosmic loop. Body, use your higher self, your energetic fields, to reweave how you hold your creative current in your divine cosmic loop. There we go. For a consistent flow. It's flowing from spark, down divine line, down spine, out base chakra, into heart of earth, perhaps. Most people tend to. Looping back up in front of self, all the way back up to spark. But however your body runs its loop of light, divine cosmic loop. And breathe. And that actually grounds your body when there is a consistent flow. So if we don't feel grounded, explore the idea that your body isn't holding the creative energy in a consistent way in its divine cosmic loop. And you, the soul rider, can coach, guide, remind, encourage your body to hold that creative energy in its divine cosmic loop in a consistent way. Oh, so taking a deep breath in, letting that integrate